know, when you're told about a registry, you know the preparedness to roll out this system nationally. The challenge has been that we don't have a live cadastre, and that is, if you look at Murang'a should have actually gone live almost a year ago. But because of the amendments that we needed to do with our maps, most of our maps were outdated, and we needed to send a team first that came and amended all the maps, amended over all our RIMs, uploaded the maps into a live cadastre, where now the non-spatial data, which is the attributes associated to the land, that is the ownership of the land, the size of the land, you know, the georeferencing part of it, can now be uploaded to the cadastre. So we didn't have that cadastre. That still remains a challenge in many parts of the country, but we are working on ensuring that now we have a cadastre.